on this channel, we usually figure the hair out as we go together. So I would encourage you to watch the full video. I might go on and on, but I'll try to speed through it.
Welcome to the channel if you're new, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we do. I love you, and let's get into the video. Mwah. So in today's video, we are going to be creating this hairstyle. Hey, if you're new to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hope you guys are having a very lovely Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. My Christmas kind of sucked because I had the vid, still isolating, but I feel much better. Don't feel sorry for me. No, I'm being serious. I do feel much better now, and it wasn't that bad. So I feel great, but I still have to isolate for, they said 10 days now. They're saying 5 days. I don't know, whatever. Check the CDC website for the latest update. Okay, don't come over here for your news. But today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this hairstyle that I've been thinking about for almost 2 months now. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Rhonda. I'm a flight attendant. I own a makeup brand. If you love the lipstick I'm wearing, it's called Flight Attendant Landing Lips, and the website is called vicosmetics.com. I will link the product down below in the description. I will link the I will have the product link down below if you're interested, okay? I am laughing because I couldn't get the word out. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested, but I know you're here for the hair, so let's get into the video. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Rhonda, like I said, and I usually think about my hairstyle for a little bit before coming on camera and doing it. So when you see me do the hair, this is the first time I'm going to be doing it, so we're gonna do it together. So if you do not have time, I will say don't even try to like skim through and do this, because your hair might not end up looking like the finished look, and I don't want you to blame me. So you have to have time to watch the full video to be able to get the look as it's going to be on my head.
I don't even know what it's going to end up looking like, but if it does end up well, I'm going to upload the video because I know it would be helpful. But if it does not end up well, you won't see this video. So please make sure you're watching the full video. If it does end up getting online, you're watching the full video to get the full step-by-step, because I'm going to be discovering new things as I braid my hair.
So I want you to watch the full video before starting to braid your hair, and then you can pause and do your own hair as you're following along. But I want you to get the full picture of how I achieve the look, all right? So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. Ow, ow, ow. All right, guys. I'm a whiny little baby.
Simply because I'm not just being whiny. When I came down with whatever this is, the vid, I didn't do my hair. I didn't even brush it. Like, I was just so, you know, about taking care of my hair. So that's why it ended up, ow.
I think I need a better comb. I think that's my problem. There we go. There we go. Don't use this if you have natural hair and you haven't been taking care of it. Use this, okay?
Well. I'm going to start with this. Once again, this is the Fritress braid, and this is the water wave. Right there, you can see what the hair is. Alright, so basically what I want to do with this hair is I want to be able to braid a side of it and braid another side of it, but also be able to have a middle part where I can let it flow down.
Guys, I have sectioned out my hair and I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. So I'm going to cut right here. Braid like you will braid cornrows regularly, okay? Because I'm going to do it initially like tree braids, but it's not going to be completely tree braids, I'm going to get softer hair like this. If you've seen my other video, you know I like one long piece, one short piece.
Alright, so I have this one short piece here. I'm going to pair it with this long piece, and then I'm going to just prepare for braiding cornrows. But yeah, so I go like this, just like you would braid cornrows regularly. You do that. So then I want that short piece. So I come for that short piece, one of the short pieces, and I leave that out.
This section we're going to braid straight cornrows because as you can see on one side of my hair I have the tree braid starting, and for this new section we're only going to braid straight cornrows, right? Let's keep going. All right, guys, now that we're done with the second part of my hair, we're going to go back in and cut that longer portion on the tree braid part of my hair. This is to give ourselves the baby hair effect. All right, let's keep going. So guys, this is what I was talking about when I said you have to watch the full video before starting your hair. Right around this part of my hair, I discovered a much easier way in doing the tree braids when you're going to break all the way down. So I hope this helps, makes your process a lot easier than it did mine. So I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching. For this braiding section, you will notice that I am using a longer piece of hair and a shorter piece of hair, a longer piece of hair and a shorter piece of hair. This is to shape the hair so that when I'm done, I don't have to cut my hair. So I like to be done when I'm done. So you're going to see me do about 4 or 5 different pieces in the tree braids. This is just to make sure that I have a very nice finish in the front part of my hair so that it's not knotted, all right? Okay, let's keep going. We're almost there.
This looks a little crazy, but I promise you, I've been thinking about this in my head and it's going to come together.
All right, guys, so I am going to repeat this method until I get around to the middle section. Once I get to the middle part, I am going to start parting my hair for the braiding a little different so that it falls on one side of my face. So make sure you pay attention to that so that you can part your hair to where you want it to fall. Let's keep going. Alright, this is the section I was talking about where I started parting the hair to one side to where I want the hair to fall. Also, I want you guys to know that I did stop the hair braiding in the middle section simply because I don't want the back to be too full and look crazy. Plus, I can never get my hair to go all the way down straight in the back. So I am going to attach those few braids that I left in the middle when I start to braid all the way down to the very end. I hope that makes sense, but you'll see. All right, guys, let's keep going. Finally, I'm done with the braiding part of the hair and I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, I'm back with another tip. If you're still here, I hope you have subscribed, liked the video, and share with your friends. Yes, let's grow the community. But here's the tip. I wanted to be able to make a little bang in the future when I put all of my hair up in the ponytail. So I decided to crochet some of the hair in the front. The little tiny portion of the hair that you see space between, I decided to crochet at least one strand onto each braid so that when I have my hair up in a ponytail, I can have a little bit of a bang effect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you're still following. Don't fall asleep. I promise we're almost there. The hair is almost done, okay? We're almost done. Let's keep going. All right, guys, now that we're just about done with the front, we need to be able to fix the back as well. The back needs to be able to go up in a ponytail and not look tacky. So stick around. We're going to work on the back after I'm done, like, you know, playing around with the front. I'm going to get to the back eventually, and I promise it's not going to be long. We're almost there. We're almost done. And I hope you have subscribed, and I can't wait to see you in the comments and share your pictures with me. I will add my Instagram down below if you're interested in like joining our community and following me on Instagram. I'm going to add my Instagram down below. I'll probably post more pictures there about the hair and how I style it in my day-to-day life. So if you want to be a part of that, go ahead and check the link down below in the description. I will have all of the links on how you can get the lipstick I was wearing, as well as my hairstyles. You'll be able to find me on Instagram. All right, too much talking, damn. All right, I can't shut up, but I'll check you guys out in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you for watching. Just kidding. I'm back. All right, I just wanted to stop back and tell you guys to stick around just a little more, because I do play around with the hair on how you can style it. And if you like any of those styling tips, well, be my guest. Once you watch the video, you'll be able to create your own hairstyle. You don't have to do what I did here. I just like to, you know,